Hello guys, welcome and welcome back again for another amazing video, and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them, commenting on them and sharing. So in today's video, I'm going to be transforming the TV wall. As you can see, this is how the TV wall looks. And then this wall that I'm showing you right now on the screen is the wall that I'm going to be making the TV wall. So this is the wall, and as you can see, it has a wallpaper. But first of all, I'm going to be showing you how to remove or safely remove a wallpaper without damaging the original paint of the house. So what you need to do is just peel the wallpaper into two. You can just remove the top layer, as you can see on the screen, and you have to be very careful so that you don't spoil the paint, and you will have to make sure that you will leave the inner part of the wallpaper, as you can see, because it usually have two layers, this one that I'm removing and that one that you see on the wall that I've left there. So the next thing you need to do is find water and a piece of cloth, then smear the water on top of this leftover here, as you can see on the screen, and then after it soaks enough water, you can just peel it off. But I'm going to be showing you so that you can see how it looks or how it works. So after soaking enough water on it, like I'm doing on the screen, just peel it off. It will come very neatly, very safely, and you will not damage any paint on your wall. So if you put a wallpaper on your walls and you want to remove them when you want to move out, this is the best procedure to do it, so that you can leave the house neat and avoid extra expenses that will be going to be charged. So I'm going to be repeating this until I'm done removing all the wallpapers. Then after that, I'm going to be painting the wall. Anyway, if this is your first time clicking on our videos, I feel much welcome in our space, our channel, All Things With Us. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. Don't forget also to share the videos with your friends and family, and we will really appreciate that. So watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand and see how this transformation goes. And this is the pen that I'm going to be using. As you can see on the screen, you can just pause and read anything that you want to know about the paint. And it was a water-based paint, and you are going to be mixing it with water, and then after that I'm going to be painting the wall. I hope you'll enjoy this video. After painting the wall, this is how it looks, and we did do 3 coats so that it can bring the color that we wanted. In this part that you see on the screen that still has the wallpaper, I'm going to be using it to attach the wall panels on it, because I didn't want to put the wall panels on the wall. So I'm going to be using the wallpaper that is remaining here to attach the panels, because I'm going to be using contact glue for that purpose. If you have watched this video till this far and you haven't liked it, kindly do so. Take your time, like it, comment on it, tell me what you think about the video, and most of all, don't forget to share with your friends and family. So now I'm going to be showing you how I did transform the wall, as you are going to be seeing how it will turn out. Yeah, and I know you will tell me in the comment section. And the next video that I'm going to be upload on Saturday, I'm going to be showing you now how I'm going to be decorating, putting lights and everything, then show you a small after or the results, but that you'll see in my next video. So make sure to check the video on Saturday, because I'm going to be uploading on Saturday when I've already decorated and put the lights. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next one.